Alrighty, let's test out the Ryobi Airstrike stapler. Narrow crown brad stapler. I added a new ravioli to the company, and let's see how this does, because I shoot down lots of masonite, lots of 1/4 inch plywood, things like that, and I used to do it with an air compressor gun. Let's see how a battery can hold up. And believe it or not, these Airstrikes are actually quality tools. I really like their brad nailer, and like this nail bent, but that's because it probably hit a screw below. Okay. Putting 1-inch staples. There's another one that bent. Break this one off eventually. All right, we'll get back to that one. There, that broke off. Why do I keep getting these ones curling? Yeah, it's driving it all the way down. It's a 1-inch staple, no compressor, and really, I mean, people say a lot of disparaging things about Ryobi. Jokingly, we all call them ravioli. But, yeah, no, these guns work good. What am I hitting here? It's because I'm keeping hitting something here that the nails keep turning. Let's not be too quick to judge this. Let's see. That one just curled. That one went straight. Curled. Curled. Concerning. I'm going over this with vinyl snap and click flooring, and with vinyl snap and click, you don't want to have, they keep curling. That sheet over there, nothing curled. I was using 3/4 inch nails. 3/4 inch staples. Let's see. Straight. 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 That one curled. But even the ones that curl, let's see what happens. I could get them flush. That's flush. And basically we're just tagging these into place. They're not structural. They just got to be smooth with no bumps. Into plywood. Into the linoleum. Oh yeah, and if I was doing flooring and I went into the tongue and groove like this, that'd be fine. That'd hold the board in place. Yeah, this thing's a win. I would take it. And besides, if it doesn't perform, back it goes. See, I've been shooting it for a while. Full battery. Still full battery. Nice. $169. I would say it's a keeper.